Hello everybody, welcome back to One Test Tip. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can enable discovery on Tinder. So to get started, go ahead and open up your Tinder application. Now the user interface will appear somewhat like this. Now go ahead and tap on that little profile icon which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now go ahead and tap on that gear icon which is also represented as settings. You can see it is located on the top of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Now if you scroll all the way down, you can see the option enable discovery. As you can see, it is already enabled on my screen or on my Tinder account. So in order to disable it, you can tap on it and the enable discovery will be disabled. And if you disable it, your profile will be hidden from the card stack and discovery will be disabled. People you have already liked may still see and match with you. So as you can see in there, it is written in there. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.